I like that blade shape. Very pointy. Very high hollow grind. Mild jimping, excessive mild jimping. Well, I don't know if it's excessive, but it's on the blade. Nothing on the frame. There is a little bit on the spacer. Frame lock, decently locked up. No thumb studs. Very small, very thin. Centered. That's a nice deep carry clip there. No lanyard hole. That's kind of muted sounding. There we go. So there you go. This is the Kershaw Amplitude 2.5. It's a small little bugger. It's very reminiscent of the Camelus wedge as far as no lanyard hole in the size. I've been using this one a lot just because it's small and very capable, 420 steel. So we'll see how this does in the EDC testing.